The Apple iPhone 14, which was officially released back in September of 2022, remains a remarkably strong and capable contender in the competitive smartphone market today. With its combination of advanced features, reliable performance, and sleek design, it continues to attract a wide range of users. The iPhone 14 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels and a pixel density of 460 ppi. This advanced high-resolution display fully supports HDR content with an impressive peak brightness of up to 1200 nits for high dynamic range video content, delivering incredibly vibrant colors and exceptionally deep, rich contrast levels for a truly immersive experience. Although it runs at a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz, the display quality is still outstanding for watching media and everyday use. The iPhone 14 boasts a premium design with an aluminum frame and a ceramic shield front cover, making it durable and resistant to scratches. Weighing in at about 172 grams, the iPhone 14 is lightweight and comfortable to hold. The device comes in several eye-catching colors: midnight, purple, starlight, product red, and blue. The iPhone 14 is powered by the A15 Bionic chip, which features a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. This processor delivers excellent performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps. The impressive efficiency of the advanced A15 Bionic chip also significantly helps to improve overall battery life. Furthermore, the sophisticated dual camera system found on the iPhone 14 features a high-quality 12-megapixel wide lens along with a versatile 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for stunning photos. The specialized action mode for video recording offers incredibly advanced stabilization, making it significantly easier for you to capture perfectly smooth professional-looking footage even while you're constantly moving around. Plus, cinematic mode now supports 4K recording at both 30 frames per second and 24 frames per second, allowing for professional quality video production. With the battery that can last up to about a full 20 hours of video playback, under the most ideal and optimal testing conditions, the iPhone 14 delivers exceptionally reliable and solid battery performance for all of your various everyday tasks and activities. It supports fast charging, up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes with a compatible charger, and wireless charging via MagSafe up to 15 watts. To wrap everything up and bring it all together, the Apple iPhone 14 stands out as an exceptionally well-rounded and reliable choice for users looking for a powerful smartphone with highly sophisticated and advanced camera capabilities and crucial life-saving safety features and options. The impressive combination of performance, exceptional build quality, and innovative features guarantees that the device continues to stay relevant to this very day.